Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive in on some important update about the recent deportation flight from the United States to Jamaica. So on Thursday afternoon, one flight that carried Jamaican people who get deported from the United States landed at Norman Manley International Airport. While some people might be speculating say it connect to President Trump's new executive order, fifth stricter immigration enforcement, the Jamaican government confirmed said this flight no link to that crackdown. But these people were slated to be deported. But if you look at it, they have to clean house so that they can make room for the whole heap of people that they're taking in now under the Trump new law. So in a sense, it's the same law is affecting these people because right now them have to quickly clear them out so that they can make space. And this is what is happening. So indirectly, it's linked to Donald Trump, why they have to be rushing and clearing out house now. But according to the Foreign Affairs Minister, Kamina Johnson-Smith, this flight is part of the regular immigration process, which was supposed to happen. In fact, it's the first scheduled deportation flight for Jamaica in 2025. Minister Johnson-Smith acknowledged, say, while the new U.S. immigration measures likely to increase the number of Jamaicans who get deported, enough different processes they have to go into play before the plane can come with the ones that Donald Trump is talking about. She emphasized, said Jamaica keep a close eye on the situation and maintaining open communication with the U.S. officials. With the rising concerns about national security, especially the
Now that
possible
all
return
undocumented immigrants are
of
criminals. And so what this
individuals with
means for
criminal
especially our
records,
Jamaican
the
community, if
minister
you're here,
notes
you're
said
undocumented, usually in
different
the Biden
categories
administration,
of
they
deportees
normally
them,
target or prioritize people
explaining
who had a
that you
criminal
have
record.
some might
Not so.
commit
To
serious
them,
crime,
just the
while
fact that
others
you're
might
here, you're
just violate
undocumented, you entered
immigration
without
laws
lawful admission,
without
or you
any
were not.
violent history. The National Security Council looking into this risk related to the situation and developing strategies to ensure public safety. In light of the misinformation we have spread about the mass deportation issues, Minister Johnson Smith urged the public to seek information directly from reliable sources like official U.S. government
You're a
website
criminal.
and the
If
Jamaica
you entered on a
Embassy
visiting visa,
in
let's say you were given
Washington.
6 months,
For
you
those who worry
overstayed, you
about
are a
them
criminal.
immigration status,
A
she
lot of
strongly
Jamaicans
recommend to get
returning
professional
home,
legal help. The Jamaican
many of them
Embassy and Consulate
may not
in
have
the
family
U.S.
or homes here to return
compiling
to.
resources and contacts for
So
legal
we're trying to
support.
get more on this.
Remember, stay
Yes?
informed
Openly,
and
Yes,
make
yes.
sure you get the correct information because a lot of information flying all over the place now. And if you see any news about deportations, double check it before you share it. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to keep your friends informed, especially in a time like now, your friends and your family, or even anybody who you know that is going through something like this. And so let us continue the conversation. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Join the conversation. What you think about the deportation situation right now?